Let's fill out the New Jersey motorcycle bill of sale together. And do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the motorcycle and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyers, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the motorcycle, the make and model, the year, and the color. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the motorcycle. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Then the odometer reading. Write the exact number, not a rounded guess. Now the purchase date and the sale price, in our example $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. First, let's talk about who needs to show up. The vehicle owner must appear in person, so make sure the seller is physically present when completing this transaction. Next, the title. You will need to transfer the title, and here is an important deadline to keep in mind. If you are dealing with a New Jersey or dealer reassigned title, that transfer must happen within 10 working days from the date of sale. Don't let that window slip by. Now for signatures. The bill of sale must be signed by the previous owner. That is a must. New Jersey also requires a notarized affidavit, specifically Form BA-62. So plan ahead and make sure you have that document notarized before completing the sale. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.